it's Husky, and welcome back to another YouTube video. Where today we're going to listen to Kids Bop! Here's Kat. Say hi, Kat. My name's Kat.
Number 23, Ben going for two. Ball placed at the two. He's in the shotgun.
What is? He's annoying, sorry.
He's back. Ball's left. Flips it for the end zone.
There's there's Bird.
I tell what I did, but I have more poop to do.
There's what's his name? What's his name? I forgot. Chicken. There's Rooster. Rooster. Actually, it's Rat. It's Rat. And there's Pig. So we're on our way home. Okay, now we're not on the highway. So let's do a challenge.
You guys are going home. Get your jammies on. You're heading upstairs.
Okay. Sorry, I had to pause because Bird was talking. Be quiet, Rooster. Sorry, Rooster was awesome. I meant Rat was awesome. Yeah, Rooster was also talking.
Italian, Syrian.
Be quiet, Bird. Bird. Hey, everyone, it's Bird. No, it's really Husky. And Cat is doing nothing. Bird and Rooster. Cat just talking. Okay, let's get this. Chicken.
She has
Why dude have black car? Bird is talking. Say hi, Bird.
Hello, Bird.
No, Mommy's Bird. Say hi, Bird. Mom, I meant Bird. Say hi. Bird, say hi. Say hi to everyone. Mom. Say hi to everyone, Bird.
I don't feel good, guys. Please.
Okay,
stop
Bird.
talking,
Bird doesn't want to say hi. She's a very shy bird. See, look, when I ask Bird a question. Bird, what's your favorite color? See, she's shy. Oh, so her favorite color is green and yellow. No, her favorite color is... I can't believe Bird didn't want to answer. Here, Rooster's not shy. Hear him. Hey, Rooster, what's your favorite color? He takes a moment. Daddy. No, his name is Rooster. Dad, your name's Rooster.
My name's Rooster the Fooster.
Yeah. Rooster, what's your favorite color?
Blue.
Rooster's favorite color is blue. Nice.
Rooster.
Hey, Cat, ask me what my favorite color is.
What's that?
See, I'm not shy. Blue. No, ask what's my favorite color. Say what's your favorite color. Say what's your favorite color. Black and blue. No, you say what's your favorite color to me. Say, hey, Cat. Hey, Husky, what's your favorite color? Hey, Husky, what's your favorite color? Teal. Oh, there. Now I'll ask Cat what his favorite color is. Cat, what's your favorite color? Black and blue. Wow, we all know that. Sorry, it's dark. It's nighttime. And their dogs. And our dogs.
And to me.
And our dogs, Cheetah. No.
Like how I'm really close.
Our dog is Dog. She's Dog. Oh, I meant never mind. She's Bear.
It was so weird.
Our dog is Bear.
On TV, people have
And there's Chicken, the one in the white car.
healing pets.
Oh, there's someone stupid in the white. Well, there's not. There's Wawa. You're speeding. Would you go faster? Oh, comment if you play Pokemon Go.
I remember how excited I was
I
when we
do.
went together.
I play Roblox. Comment if you play Roblox. Yeah, also comment if you play Roblox. Guys, if you're a guest... Okay, guys, we're going to end. Guys, I'm a guest. I'm a guest on Roblox. See you next time.
Oh, I wonder if that's
I'm a guest on Roblox.
You know, and at nighttime when the kids go to bed, I hang out with
Can I make a YouTube video now? No.